Hi guys, I'm Sofia Tilbury. Today I want to show you how to get radiant skin and create the perfect canvas for gorgeous glowing bridal makeup. It's what's going to make your makeup last all day and night, as well as achieve that gorgeous just married glow. Leading up to the big day, skin prep is absolutely essential. I've prepped the skin with lots of glow boosting products, including Charlotte's 2-in-1 Radiance Resurfacing Facial, which works double time to resurface, hydrate and add radiance. I advise brides to use it once or twice a week for about 4 weeks leading up to the wedding for maximum benefits. And follow it with the Plumping Effect Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. There's really nothing like it. It was the first of its kind and will really amp up your hydration levels. I love how it smooths out the appearance of any fine lines and gives a dewy finish to the skin. It's a bit like having a quick 15-minute facial, plus you can use it up to 3 times. When the big day comes, I'll make sure to use the mask again, before going in with the magic serum for an instant boost of hydration and luminosity. Now for moisturizer, today I'm using Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. It has a cooling, lightweight, gel-like texture, making it so perfect for spring and summer weddings, but the original Magic Cream works just as well to prime skin for makeup. And please don't forget SPF guys, Charlotte's Invisible UV Flawless Poreless Primer is your secret weapon. It primes, it protects, it hydrates, and it even offers pollution defense. For the most kissable lips, it can only be Magic Lip Oil. This preps, primes, and hydrates your lips for lipstick later. I then adore spritzing the Magic Hydrator Mist just before applying makeup. It's also a quick and easy way to refresh makeup between the ceremony and reception. If you're wearing a strapless or sleeveless dress, don't forget body cream. I love using Charlotte's Magic Body Cream across the shoulders, collarbones, and décolletage for a radiance boost. There we have it, a glowing, gorgeous base fit for a glowing, gorgeous bride. Don't forget to check out my full bridal makeup routine and let me know what you think. Lots of love.